Hi, I'm Nazeli, known on Instagram as Makeup by Naz. Today I did this bronzer look. Please keep on watching. I'm taking toner to warm up the crease. For the crease, I like to use the Morphe M433. And most of the time, I don't like switching my brushes, so I just clean it on my hand or on a paper towel. I'm gonna take the warmth with the M507 and warm up a little bit more. Okay, then go back with the blending brush. The darker I go, I keep it like inwards. Then I'm gonna use the in-depth color on the corners to make it a little bit darker. Now I'm taking the warm eyeshadow to blend the dark and the light together. Then I like to blend the ends so you don't see a harsh line. Okay, I'm gonna use the MAC Indian Wood with Dust of Colors. I think it's the concealer brush. Next, I'm gonna go with Liz Watier, what's it, Wonderland. And then I go back with the warmth color to blend. Next, I'm gonna grab the Lorac Unzipped Gold palette and mix these two colors. I like to use it with my fingers. I grab the same light color, tone up, and go with the Morphe M150. Usually I go with this color, like the longer her lashes are, I go like down. I'm grabbing the warmth. And the darker I go, the darkest color I put like on the outside corner of the eye. Then I take a flat brush, it's Morphe M432, and I take the brown shade. Then I'm taking a clean blending brush, blend the edges. Okay. Next I'm taking the Morphe Slate Gel Liner with Dust of Colors Fine Liner brush and have a look at. And when I do the top part, I have her look down this way, the other way. This way. Look up. Next, I'm gonna highlight the brow bone with the Dust of Colors Fuego. in the inner corners, look straight. Okay. And then I blend it this once more. Close your eyes. I'm gonna go with L'Oreal Voluminous in Carbon Black. Close your eyes. Okay, for eyelashes, I'm gonna use the Elegant Lashes, the RWSP. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the double flare long and flare long. And with the flare long, I go like whatever I put the double flare long, I put like this one, I put in the middle of those. Open. Close. I'm using the same mascara. Then I go back with the Morphe gel liner and very close to the lash line, I cover the eyelashes. And then I like to connect the eyelash with the eye gel liner. Okay, I'm gonna grab the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer with the Dose of Colors brush. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the Elcie Light Bronzer with the Dose of Colors brush. I go over the chin area. Before the bronzer, when I started her face, I used the Chanel Soleil. I don't know. Then I like to blend the eyeshadow with the bronzer. Next, I'm taking the shader brush from Dose of Colors with the light bronzer and contour the nose. Gently. Then I go with the translucent powder. I'm gonna highlight nose with Fuego highlighter from Dose of Colors. I don't like to connect this line like with the whole thing. I'm gonna spray my Morphe M510 brush with the Elcie Glow Hydra Enhancer. Fuego again. Turn. I don't go too close to the nose because like this part gets oily very fast. I go over the brow. Then I'm gonna apply the Peaches blush from MAC with my Morphe M509 blush. Smile. I'm gonna use the MAC Oak. Then I'm gonna make it a little bit darker with the strip down lip liner. And I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors More Creamer Please lipstick. And this is the Dose of Color brush that comes with the eyeshadow palette. The Baked Bronze. And then in the center I'm gonna do no shade. And then I'm gonna spray the Hydra Enhancer. Close your eyes. You guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe and leave comments. See you next time.